guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. I'm so sorry that I have not been very active on YouTube because I have just gotten no time recently and I don't remember last when I sat down and shot a video. So super happy to be back here and super happy to come here with a video where I'm going to be reviewing another product which you're going to love in this summer. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing another face pack by Husn Heaven brand. Now, if you know me, if you have seen my previous videos, you know that I did review another face pack from them and I really like that product. I will have it linked up ऊपर कहीं पे and I will also leave a link to that in the description box. If you want, you can go ahead and check that video out. I really like that product and I'm very grateful that they sent me another product from their face pack range. Now this is another detan face pack. The previous one that I did was a charcoal detan face pack and this is just a detan face pack. Okay, so I will tell you what's good in this product, but with that I will also compare this and the previous products since both are detan products. You may want to know that what exactly is the difference. So this particular product is again catering to detanning, but it has no charcoal in it. So the charcoal one was meant to really clean out your face and protect your skin from the sun damages and probably just get that even skin tone. This one, however, doesn't have a charcoal, but the star ingredient in this product for me is neem. You guys, I keep looking out for the ingredients in the product that is very difficult for me to use as DIYs because I am a true believer of DIYs. I always love to do DIYs at home for my hair and skincare, but there are certain things which I feel are really good for your skin and for your hair, but it's just too difficult to use in your DIY. So whenever I see a product which has something that I can't use as DIY, I get really excited. Similarly, last time I got really excited about the orange peel because as you know, this is a detan pack. That was a detan pack and I was looking for something which is a good vitamin C source. So this product again has orange peel, which I think is a major ingredient where they're trying to cater to sun damages, just help you achieve a very even skin tone. And it also has neem. So now summers, it's very easy for you to sweat, right? Even if I don't sweat a lot, I will when it's a lot of heat. When you go out in summer, you do end up sweating, and sweating is a problem because I just feel that after that, if I don't have really clean skin, like I don't clean it properly, I don't use proper face packs, then I just end up breaking out sometimes, which I don't like. And neem is such a good antiseptic. You know that when you use neem, you can heal a lot of wounds. So if it has neem, it means it's just going to really help you deal with your skin problems, like if you get pimples, if you're breaking out, or if you just feel that the overall health of your skin is really not nice, you can go ahead and use this product. They recommend to use this product 2-3 times a week, which I think is not a big deal because again, this product is also not that expensive. I will have all the details linked in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. Now I talked about the ingredients of this product. I want to talk about the texture of this particular product. Now the earlier one was black in color because it had charcoal in it. It was packed in a glass jar and this is again packed in a glass jar. So this is what I really like about Husn Heaven products, that they are good at their packaging. They're not using plastics, which I think is wonderful for the product and for the environment. So big thumbs up for that. Now the texture of this product, that was black in color, and this particular product is greenish in color because as they have mentioned that It has neem in it and the whole packaging is green, which I really like the vibe of. Like, you know, you just feel good when you see the list of ingredients and the packaging mixing a bit together. I don't know, I just have something about the packaging of products. If the packaging is good, it really attracts me. So I really like that about this particular product. Now this is really moussey. I would say that the clay one was not this moussey. This one comparatively is much more moussier, if this is a correct statement. I do not know that. But this one is really moussey and it's very easy to apply. You can take a brush and apply it all over your face. The consistency is so creamy in nature that it doesn't get difficult to you know, apply all over your face. Let me show you the texture a bit. So this is how the consistency is. You see how easily I can spread it all over my hand. Similarly, you can use a brush and just spread it all over your face, which is very, very easy. Now, the texture of this one is a bit moussier, as I mentioned before. It's a bit moussier than the charcoal clay one. This takes a little bit more time to dry. So if you have watched my previous video, you know that I did mention that pack only takes like 5 minutes to dry out, and I recommended you guys to not leave it for more than 5 minutes because otherwise it became really dry and to take it off was a big task. So that's why I recommended you guys to just move it away, like take it out after 5 minutes. But this one, since it's moussier, since the texture is creamier, I left it for 10 minutes and it did not become like too dry on my skin and I could easily take this off from my face. तो मतलब ऐसा time limit नहीं है. Like that one I would like highly recommend to not use like beyond 5 minutes. With this one you can easily leave it for 10 minutes. It's gonna be fine. You're not gonna feel really dry and you're not gonna feel that it's really difficult to take it off. Now, since I've talked about everything else, I must tell you that how exactly does this product perform and if I really like the performance of this product. Because you know, everything can be good, but if the product is not nice, it's not giving results, then there is no point of anything. So in my opinion, this product is a good product. I like this product, but if you have, like, if you want me to compare and if you want me to pick one of the two products, I would go ahead and pick the Detan charcoal one because I think I found that one a bit better. But like, I would say the difference is really minimal. But if I have to choose, I would choose the Detan charcoal one. But this is again really nice. As I mentioned, this has orange peel. So when I do apply this product, when I use this product and I wash my face, I clearly feel a difference. I feel like my skin instantly lifts up. You know, it gains life. If I'm very tired and you know, I don't necessarily have to go out. Like suppose I'm like working full day and I'm really tired and I just want some good food for my skin, I do apply this face pack and I do feel the difference. I feel my skin is really fresh and it just instantly brightens up my face. So any detan pack, right, this is what I look for because tanning is something that you can't really escape from. If you're going out this summer, you are going to get tan no matter how much sunscreen you put, no matter what you do. The whole concept of detanning for me is to make sure that your skin is not damaged because of the sun rays and harmful rays, and the point that your skin is not looking really uneven. It shouldn't look tired is what I look for in a detan product, and this exactly does the job. Do not get worried about changing of your skin color because that keeps happening, and this is not like a bleaching agent, so it's not just gonna bleach out your face, but it is going to bring that glowness, which I think is so good. Because detan bolke people put bleachers in their product and people think, oh wow, my tanning has gone, but actually you have bleached your face, which is not good for your skin. So really good with organic products. They have made a great product, and these packs are working out for me, and I'm really happy to share these on my channel. And now finally, I do want to highlight the point that this product is totally organic. There are no chemicals in this product and this is affordable. even though it's an organic product, which is a big thing for me. This is again, I would again like to highlight that this is a startup brand, Husn Heaven, and they are making new products. And I'm very fortunate that they are reaching out to me for me to try out these products and share my opinions about these on my channel. So it gives me great happiness to be able to share about these affordable yet great products on my channel, so that you guys could go and explore all your options. So wonderful, thanks to Husn Heaven once again. And yeah guys, with this we have come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video. If you want to know the application and the before and after effects, then please go ahead on my Instagram, and please do check out my reel over this product. I have made a reel on this product. And of course guys, are you following me on Instagram? Because I don't think so, and if you're not, then please follow kar lo yaar. So please, I will leave my handle in the description box below. However, it is @Tabishi Next Door, which is my YouTube channel name. No great concept over here. So please go ahead and check out my Instagram, and if you like it, please start following me. And yeah, with this we have come to the end of the video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel, and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful, enjoy summers, and guys, COVID is increasing, so please be safe. Bye. Namaste.